Pooh Bear,
Oh, okay.
stay out of the cottage cheese. Brooke, stay out of the cottage cheese. Kiddo. Kiddo. Brooke. Beating on the drum, huh? Brooke, say hi to folks at home.
Brooke, you're gonna.
At first you don't
No.
succeed,
No.
try
No.
again.
No. Come on. Oh, we're done. We're done. Say bye-bye to the fridge.
I want to put her down so she can walk for us.
Okay. Go ahead.
You can see Brooke is quite skilled in the art of walking. Here comes a little hump she's going to need to clear. She might be smart and go down on that. Look at that. It's solid. Solid as a rock. She's beating me. I can't even walk backwards fast enough. Brooke, the walker!